Doing the shake on. Uh-oh, that's a secret sauce, so what's in there? Tell us the secret sauce so we can open up next door. Okay, look at this, man.
It's all love, man, nothing else, man.
Wow.
It's all love.
Oh, he just put that sauce in there, y'all. Yo, look, I'm about to grab one of them shrimp right now, and I'm gonna just dip it. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are here in EO. You know what EO is? It's East Orange, man. And I'm about to go to this meetup at Ambassador's Chicken. Yo, big shout out to Khalid at Ambassador's. You know, every time they get something new, they be like, yo, come check it out and bring all your friends too. So I made the announcement, man. Now we're actually here. Let's see what's going on inside Ambassador's Chicken. We have Daryl Banks in the house. Yo, and we got Karen right here, y'all. These are our food reviewers, and of course I'm in the house too. Look, where are we? Who are you?
Ambassador Dodge Street in East Orange.
Okay.
I'm Khalid, I'm one of the owners. We're family-owned businesses. This is Munya, my older cousin's
She's
wife.
hiding. She's hiding, y'all.
She runs our marketing.
Okay.
What else? She can continue.
Serve the best catering in town.
Okay.
We are all hired from the community. We have been here for almost 20 years.
Okay. Thank you. Y'all heard that? She hires in the community, man. That's awesome.
Yes.
Okay. Let us see. What is he making back here?
He's actually making you. That's the chicken nuggets. These are the ones that's coming out. I think.
I'm about to stop filming
that
right
is.
now.
Timer can tell you what's in there.
What's in there?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
Original barbecue.
Original barbecue.
I'm sorry, General Buffalo.
General Buffalo.
This is honey hot.
Honey hot. Yes. Look, y'all, that fresh chicken going up in there, y'all. See that fresh chicken going up in there? Uh-oh. That's a secret sauce, so what's in there? Tell us the secret sauce so we can open up next door. Look, man, this is amazing.
We've been having this special recipe for us since 2004.
Oh, wow. I'm kind of in the way. Thank you very much, man. This is cool. And y'all look, there's always frying right there. And look at that grease. See how you can see it has like that light brownish? I mean, that's fresh grease. I know about
And keep in mind, we use soybean oil. So
they use soybean oil.
It's cholesterol free.
Yep.
And we're trying to stay as healthy as we can.
Nice.
This is the dynamite shrimp.
Oh.
A new item.
Okay. It's called dynamite?
Dynamite shrimp. Yep.
What's that? Okay, let me stop asking. What
Don't tell him what it is.
That looks like cayenne pepper though. Is that spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Oh, okay. Look at this, man.
It's all love, man. Nothing else. Man.
Wow.
It's all love.
Wow, I love shrimp. This is awesome.
We'll get to taste it in a few minutes, okay?
Okay, a question. Is the shrimp batter the same as the chicken batter?
No.
It's different. Okay. And what do you put in the batter? Never mind. Come on, y'all. Let's go. We're trying to get the secret
He told you, we
ingredients.
just put love in there.
He said, oh, he put
You
love.
only put love in there,
You heard
that's
that?
it.
He already said, oh, look at, man, he just dropped that chicken in there. Okay, we're going to go up front and just be good now. Look at this, man. I just love food. I love food. Thanks, Daryl.
I don't know how you stay slim like that.
I walk in the park every day, 3 miles.
Okay.
Oh, here comes the food, y'all. Oh, I don't know, man. Daryl Banks can eat those two by itself right there. Look. Oh, this. Oh, you got them named. Oh, wow.
Jamaican jerk. And then they got the barbecue.
Jamaican jerk. Look at this, y'all.
And then the hickory barbecue. And then we have 2 more.
And this shrimp.
And this is dynamite shrimp.
Dynamite shrimp?
And then
Which one is that? Oh, both
Both
of
of
them?
them the same.
Both
yeah.
are dynamite shrimp.
Yeah. And we just have to wait for the sauces for this.
And the sauces are coming.
That's the house
Oh,
sauce
that's
for the shrimp.
it's hot?
No, that's the house sauce for the shrimp.
Oh, house sauce, okay. That's the house sauce, y'all. Right there. We about to dig in, man. Oh, jump! Look who just walked in, y'all. Rodney Pollard just walked in the house. Well, Rodney, I don't know if you want your last name on it. I don't know. Is anybody looking for you, man? Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah. And we about to dig in, man. Yo, look, I'm about to grab one of them shrimp right now and I'm gonna just dip it. Just dip it.
Alright, that's up with dipping.
Which one did you have? You know? Well, you got the
original
shrimp.
buffalo I'm eating now.
How is it?
Like buffalo.
Scale of 1 to 10. You want to
It's
hold
not
off?
too hot or anything, so I would give it about a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Okay.
I'd say an 8.
8. Okay. 8.
Good with a kick.
All right, y'all. I'm about to dig in. First thing I'm gonna do is dig into the shrimp.
We did this one
Okay.
yesterday for
The shrimp absolutely looks delicious. I just need y'all to see this, right? Look at this. See that shrimp right there? And he had put those spices on there. We're gonna dip it. Okay. We're gonna dip the shrimp right there, y'all. Right there. Right there. Right there. We're just gonna do it like that. We're gonna do it just like this.
Okay, and this is for the shrimp.
Mmm.
Shrimp with
Mm.
better picture, what this is.
Mmm.
I like this one.
You had the shrimp with the sauce?
I like
Mmm.
I don't know. When I put
That
it
sauce
on-
is the bomb.
Yeah.
He got a gold mine.
Mmm. You said they got a gold mine?
Yeah, they got a gold mine.
Hold on. What'd you say? What'd you say?
That's like got gold mine.
They got gold mine. Look, y'all.
Yeah.
It's official. I just ate the shrimp. Everything else looks delicious. I'm gonna go right down the line. I gotta get a plate, y'all. Hold up. Wait. Oh, thank you very much. Get a plate, man. I got my plate. I'm going for the original buffalo. Then the hickory barbecue. One at a time, though. We're gonna do the original buffalo. It already has the sauce on it. This is the original buffalo.
I'm like, it's hot too, right? Honey hot.
Well, it's definitely hot sauce on here.
Yeah, it didn't seem too hot.
Look, y'all, his head's sweating. So you know it's a little spicy. Which one got you sweating like that, man?
Probably that Jamaican jerk.
The Jamaican jerk?
Yeah, but, I had 2 back-to-back hot, so I had Jamaican jerk and a mango habanero. So
We're gonna go to the Jamaican jerk after this one.
now when I come back around, what I'll probably more than likely go for is
That's the one I just had, the original buffalo.
the hickory. Yeah, I
Wait a
started off
minute.
with that.
All of these are new?
Yes.
They're all, now they're new on all locations.
In all locations, okay. Mr. Banks said the Jamaican jerk was the hottest. That original buffalo was pretty spicy.
Buffalo is
The
spicy.
buffalo sauce is spicy.
Mhm.
It's only hot and spicy, but it's good. The mango habanero is nice sweet, but it has a nice kick after,
This Jamaican jerk.
That's what I have now.
right?
All of them got kicked.
Mmm.
Aftertaste.
Oh. Mmm. So
Let me
look,
make you one that's not so spicy. I'll make you the honey mustard. Hang
So
on a
look.
second, okay?
Oh wow.
that Jamaican jerk is delicious. But you know what? Everything went well here today, and y'all know I'm not negative. But why didn't they bring us out something cold to drink? Maybe it's not the best thing to drink something cold in your mouth. Yo, that is really spicy.
There's nothing to cool off.
Mhm.
Got this hot.
Oh, no, I ordered it. Okay. I said it.
It's funny because I don't feel the spice in my mouth. It just goes straight to my head.
Mmm. You heard that, y'all? He don't feel it on his tongue. It goes straight to his head. That's how you know it's spicy. I ate the Jamaican jerk, y'all. So I'm gonna do the mango habanero because I love the flavor of mango and the way it mixes with other foods.
When I ordered
So we definitely gonna check that out.
Yes.
But that Jamaican jerk ain't no joke. Oh, we got waters coming out. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Did you hear me? Yeah, I did. Oh, you was laughing, man. Thank you. Look, y'all, we got water. Thank you.
If you guys want anything else to drink, just let me know right here.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you. All right, y'all. This now I'm going for the mango habanero. I don't know if y'all can see that. We're going for the mango habanero. Let's check it out.
This one.
Here we go. Here we go. I know this is gonna be sweet. I need that sweetness right now
So it's not pretty. So I just
because I'm still feeling the spices from that
Because
Jamaican.
it's easy.
I keep calling it Jamaican jerky. It's Jamaican jerky.
I think
this is, we're not sure if I had done that, but it's okay. I'm not sure if you want the cake, so we
Yeah.
can take one from now.
But for the flavored wings.
Flavored wings.
You know what's funny?
But maybe to have picture bigger.
That's how tender these bites are. What'd you say? They're tender, right?
This one, and I was
I just love the way that they're tender. They do have a little crunch to it. They're spicy.
With that, like I said, the first time was 125,
Mm.
after that, each one is 50.
And like I thought, that mango habanero has that sweetness to it.
It's
I would get another one of those and the Jamaican jerky, but I gotta go for the sweet red chili, the honey hot, and the hickory barbecue. Right there. Sweet chili, honey hot, hickory barbecue. Hold on, let me sniff a little bit first. Hold up. Here we go, y'all. Sweet. The Jamaican jerk. You heard that, y'all? Hold on, what'd you say? Why you start talking low? She says Jamaican jerk has a kick. It does have a kick. That ain't no joke. Okay, which one? This was the sweet chili. Okay. The sweet red chili. Oh, wait a minute.
Welcome to Ambassador.
I'm tasting that too.
My wife is telling you welcome to Ambassador.
Oh, hey!
Thank you.
She's in Morocco, so.
Okay. Oh, she's in Morocco. You said, Morocco.
Mediterranean.
So you're from Morocco?
No, I'm Palestinian. She's Moroccan, too.
I was wondering who was from Africa.
Yeah, I remember a couple weeks ago you went to that Mediterranean restaurant
The
downtown.
halal spot. So all of your chicken is halal.
All our stores.
All of the chicken in all of the stores, including Jersey City, everywhere.
Halal tenders.
We got it. We got it.
And wings. And the boneless wings are halal.
Our halal, FYI.
Y'all don't have it. You got it in Morocco. Y'all don't have it overseas, do you? Y'all got any location overseas? No.
Here we go, y'all. Where you from?
Jordan.
Jordan. Okay. Okay. You guys are from all around.
They're cousins.
Wow.
Oh, this is a true family business.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
They're cousins. I'm my sister-in-law.
I'm from out of the country too. I'm from Newark.
That's what I'm going there without a visa now.
That's right. Newark is a country of its own, man, like Brooklyn.
It's a honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
We got the honey mustard, y'all. Is it spicy?
No.
Okay, regular honey mustard.
mustard.
This is a lot of food, y'all. The ambassador team do not play. More of y'all should have showed up. Khalid remember the last time, but we had more time to let people know. But this is all good. It's all good, yep. What'd you think?
My kid is gonna love this.
They're gonna love the honey mustard? Okay, he said his kid's gonna love it.
Oh my god. Yeah, that honey mustard is good.
Oh yeah, I'm going for it. What'd you think, Rodney?
Yeah, it's official.
It's official? That's all we need to know. It's official. All right, I'm going for it next, y'all. I can feel the heat coming off. There we go.
Is that my shrimp?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Now who y'all have?
It's hot.
Delicious, man. Absolutely delicious. It's not only tasty, but the meat is so tender. Okay, what are you eating?
Shrimp.
Tell us what's going on with the shrimp.
Tastes really good.
Yeah. But look,
Especially the jerk chili, maybe? No, Jamaican jerk chili.
you had that just now too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He had the Jamaican jerk, the Jamaican jerky, and
Which one you want to try?
but you didn't put sauce on there. You gotta do that. We gotta get your interview with the sauce. Okay, y'all. Look, they got cake, y'all. They know I'm a diabetic, right? I don't know what's going on here, but I'm gonna sure eat me a piece of cake. Anyway, you gotta try one. Come on, man. You gotta go.
I'll try one for the.
You gotta dip that one in the sauce.
That's red velvet cheesecake, and this is carrot.
You gotta get the sauce with this one. Oh man, I'm still feeling the spicy from. Okay, there it is. Okay. Different. That's what everybody said, man. The Jamaican jerky is a little spicy.
Jamaican jerk a little spicy.
Yeah, it's a little spicier. I think that might be the spiciest one. You gotta let us know what you think.
Oh my god, he's recording.
Oh, you don't want to be on?
No, I don't care.
Okay. So far, take your time. Take your time. Okay, he said he liked that one. He said he liked that one. All right, we gotta see. We gotta see what the missus say.
You gotta try it with the sauce though.
Okay, you gotta try one with the sauce and without.
Okay.
So that's without the sauce. Let us know how it tastes. Hold up, she already shaking her head. She like me. I don't need a long time.
That one is a little spicy right there.
That's spicy.
Definitely fire.
He said the Jamaican jerky is really spicy. What you think? Hold up. Now she's trying the one with the sauce.
I'm trusting the sauce, y'all.
Okay. See if it's the truth.
Good sauce right here. What is it?
Better with the sauce? I agree. I totally agree. So,
Definitely better with the sauce.
which one is that?
Sweet red
The
chili.
sweet red chili. Yeah, I think they were all a little spicy. So
Those are mad good.
look, I'm telling you, she said these are mad good, y'all. The shrimps and with the sauce is just the bomb. I totally agree. Yeah.
Nice items.
And they're tender. Well, anyway, this your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you that they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. Here, signing off from Ambassadors. We about to eat some more, y'all, getting our fill on. It's definitely, we had a 7.5, we had an 8. I'm giving Ambassadors a 9.5 today. I didn't taste the cake, man, because I'm scared. But, y'all, yep. Huh? Oh, she said if I eat the cake, it'll be a 10. No, but they're definitely high up on the scale, man. It's delicious. These new menu items are absolutely delicious. And we'll see you guys at the next one.